that's still witchcraft. Like, it's an auto without a spring.
2 of these Ozark Trail pocket knives with the axis lock. They're calling it the shaft lock. Guess what we got in the mail? Some Ozark Trail axis lock knives. I am so hyped. Shout outs to Alex for sending this out. We're gonna be unpacking that knife later in this video, but for now, I'm gonna go get a haircut and then probably get some breakfast, and we're gonna be meeting up with Ben Peterson later. My haircut is done. I feel fresh. We've got this clean fade. I usually hit up Jed's barbershop downtown in Salt Lake City, Utah. So if you guys are in Utah ever, go hit up my friend Leighton. He is an awesome barber. But now we're gonna go over to the coffee shop. I'm thinking I really want to unbox those Ozark Trail axis lock knives. I'm pretty excited for that just because I went searching an entire day for them. We might unbox them at the coffee shop. I don't know yet. But with this coffee shop that I'm showing you guys, if you ever come into Utah, it is a must visit, especially if you guys are visiting for Blade West 23. We'll see you guys there. Hi, can I get a cinnamon toast?
Yeah, I can do that.
16-ounce iced shot. Yeah. Thank you. Look at that, cinnamon toast. So good. I just had the best cinnamon toast in my entire life, and I'm not even kidding. But now we're gonna go head over to Ben Peterson. I think we're gonna grab some tacos, this new place that he heard of. I don't think he's been there, I've never been there, but I'm excited to see what that's all about. I'm definitely gonna be pocket checking Ben and seeing what's inside his pockets because I'm super interested. His loadouts are super functional and utilitarian, the 2 times I've checked him before. And of course, I'll show you guys what's inside my pockets. It's probably no secret. You guys probably already know what it is. But let's head over there. It's like a 10-minute drive, and I'll see you with Ben, I guess. You know how Peter McKinnon does 2-Minute Tuesdays? By the way, if Peter ever watches this, dude, thank you so much for all of your inspirational content and everything. This channel would not be a thing without Pete. But I'm thinking of posting every single Friday. I'm not sure if you guys want that, but basically name it 5-Minute Friday. If I can keep this down to 5 minutes, awesome. I also do live streams on Friday mornings, so if you guys ever want to drop by and say hi, I love to connect with the community. And sometimes we'll even do them on Friday nights, so make sure your guys' notification bells are on. If you want additional updates, you can go ahead and visit my Discord server. It pretty much puts out alerts every single time we're live. Man himself.
Hey Brandon, how you doing, man? How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good. Good to see you.
Well,
yeah, absolutely. There's the crew. Like if you're, it's got to be like kind of pointed down. And it runs great, but like there, no dice, but that's still witchcraft. Like, it's an auto without a spring.
Ben, what do you have on you?
Okay, you ready for this?
Yep, let's see it.
Everybody wants to see the knife first. So we got a Lander in fat carbon with S35 VN. This is Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. And it, look at that. It matches my jacket.
It sure does. You're playing you do today.
Yeah, that's right. What else do I have? I got just my old go-tos, you know. You got the Leatherman, you got a flashlight, car keys with a little bit of glow rhino on there.
Oh, very nice.
A little tritium, glows in the dark. Not in the day though. You know what's funny? I gotta tell you, people think that tritium should glow in the day. It doesn't. It's just like, it's gotta be dark. And then the trusty Bic.
The Bic pen.
Oh yeah, you gotta have it.
Yeah.
You gotta have it. Okay, in the other pocket, we got a iPhone mini.
Nice.
Field notes.
The field notes match too, man.
I know, what did I, oh no. Ah, not waterproof. Yeah, I don't know where the orange came from today, but I love it. And then I had a buddy send me a little Hank, and it's got robots on it.
That's awesome. Man.
So, and then I carry my regular leather wallet. It's one of our strap wallets. You can strap on the inside.
Super clean.
Yeah,
awesome.
That's it, man.
Dude, I love how used your stuff is.
Well, that's the thing. Like, I think a lot of people switch their stuff all the time. Like my knives, they cycle in and they cycle out. Yeah. But like the stuff that I use every single day, it never changes. Like I've literally had like these tools in my pocket for years and years and years. Like you look at the patina on that squirt. Like,
how old is that thing?
I've had it for 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 10 years in pocket.
10 years.
I thought I've lost it like 5 times, and I weep like crocodile tears, and then I find it, and I'm like, yeah, it's amazing. So
awesome.
yeah, nothing too crazy. I'm like I carry things that I use and I don't switch them up a ton. When I find something, I keep it and it's good. Okay, last thing, just because I knew you were filming, I got inducted to the Millie PM2 Para 3 Club. Look at this, I'm member 1424 with a tiger.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have you heard of these guys?
I've heard of them, but
they're like this big Facebook group, and they inducted me in. I don't know what that means, but I'm happy to be part of the club.
Too cool. Awesome, man. Okay, well, thanks for the dump.
I love it.
Where can everyone see you?
They can find me at nafs.com and Ben Banters on Instagram.
I mean, he has the Lander, guys. You just saw that really cool one.
Oh, yeah.
Where can they get that one specifically?
So that one specifically, that one comes at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So that's an exclusive for them. And it's everyone, when we released it, they were like, we want a high-end steel. And so Smoky was like, let's do it in S35. So
cool.
There it is.
Okay.
That carbon
Sweet,
too.
dude. Well, you have an awesome day.
Thanks, man.
Okay, see you soon.
See ya.
Well, that was a fun time with Ben. We had some tacos, we were talking business, and he has a really dope loadout that gets super heavy used. I mean, like, did you guys see that Leatherman? 10 years? Crazy. Now I'm heading back to the studio and we're gonna unbox these Walmart Ozark Trail knives. The ones with the axis locks, finally. Probably just do first impressions and then maybe do a full-length video sometime soon after, maybe give it some pocket time. I don't know. I have no idea what to expect. It's a $6 knife, but I wanna be honest with you guys and see if it's actually worth the $6. Maybe we can get into some modding, making some custom scales. I don't know. What can we do with this thing? But I'll see you guys in the studio. Back in the studio, and we've got our package from Alex. Let's check this out. Oh, almost missed a note, it looks like. So he sent over 2 of these Ozark Trail pocket knives with the axis lock. That's actually not too bad of a shape. And then I will read this long note here in just a bit. Okay, so let's get right into this and see what we've got here. We'll use the Chavez to cut this open, I guess. I feel like it's more dangerous opening up this clamshell plastic than any other material out there. You've got an exposed blade, and here is the knife. This is just so dumb. Why do they put this plastic piece on here? Okay, let's see. I mean, I guess we can tune this in, but this is not too shabby. It does have a hollow grind, doesn't really specify the blade steel. Let's see here, it is stainless steel, 3-inch blade, 4-inch plastic handle, shaft lock. They're calling it the shaft lock. This looks like it has a recessed pocket clip on a $6 knife. I mean, this ain't too shabby for $6, I'll be completely honest with you. But how well does it cut paper? Let's see here, sharpness test. Definitely cuts paper, no problem. It's kind of unbelievable that you can get this type of knife with the shaft lock, axis lock, for $6. I'm gonna take this thing apart, see if it's on bearings, but so far, first impressions, this is not bad for a $6 knife. We'll do a full review on the Ozark Trail shaft lock. And aside from that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you liked it, throw me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, throw me a thumbs down, and I promise you I'll do better next time. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.